This is not the Camp Nou you remember. Steel beams are soaring into the sky, concrete's being poured daily, and entire sections are transforming fast. But while most of the stadium looks like a futuristic build, there's still one chaotic area that seems completely out of place. And surprisingly, it's exactly how they wanted. Let's start up top. The steel skeleton of the new upper stand is rising fast. From the balcony view, you can now see a thick web of beams covering the north and south ends. Massive diagonal supports are locking into place. There's welding, platform lifts everywhere, and even early signs of the second VIP ring structure taking shape. And yes, the infamous diamond near the north goal is getting bulkier. It's growing from all sides, especially on the east corner. Every day, more preformed concrete panels are lined up, ready to be placed. Zooming into the north goal, concrete pouring has officially begun. This was one of the darkest, most reinforced areas just a week ago. Now, bright gray slabs showing clear signs of progress. Around the VIP ring, it's a different story. Lots of structure, not a lot of finish. Ironwork is still missing in some parts, but the groundwork's been set. You'll see sidewalls prepped and barriers in place to avoid debris falling during installs. Let's slide over to the south. The second ring of seating, already welded in. A red tide of plastic-wrapped seats is creeping across the lower stands. Even the press area is starting to take shape, though it's still missing floorboards and tech hookups. Inside, waterproof treatments are finally being applied, which means more seats will follow soon. Even the staircases to access upper stands are getting finalized with reinforced panels and sturdy support struts. Remember that chaotic diamond-shaped zone at the heart of the parking lot? It's no longer chaos. Formwork is done, pillars are standing, and crews have been working day and night to fill every gap. They're even pouring concrete on site now, sometimes by hand, sometimes with mobile pumps. It's one of the most active sections of the stadium right now, despite how cramped it is. Every centimeter counts here. On the stadium side, you'll spot major cuts in the wall. Those aren't mistakes. They're planned machinery access points for deeper construction phases. New stairwells are appearing too, linking the first and second tiers. And the formwork being used, super precise. Each wooden panel has to fit perfectly to hold the concrete in place. Oh, and the Minecraft cubes made of polyurea? Those are being used to lighten up upper structures while keeping them strong. The roof story is wild. Most panels are now in place in the tribuna area, with just a few spots left to fill in. Lifting platforms are helping install the last protectors. But here's a fun bit. At one point, a 20-ton crane sat on a half-supported structure. Yeah, bad idea. They rushed to add props and avoid disaster. Let's wrap up with one of the most surprising areas, the back-of-house zones. Old concrete walls are getting stripped and rehabbed. Some access staircases are already fully concreted and down in the trenches. Excavation continues to clear out dirt and prep for more underground infrastructure. Even the garden areas around the site are showing signs of care again. Trees are still standing, and workers are balancing heavy equipment with landscaping. Progress is happening everywhere. VIP ring, structurally close. North and south goals, concreting well underway. Diamonds, growing fast. Roof, almost sealed. But the real win? The whole site is more active than ever. Subscribe for more updates. It's only getting better from here.
you